Good morning. I can't even say I'm sliding into afternoon because I'm already there. So this is Nana here, San Antonio, Texas with Teach Me Nana. So today's a simple kind of day. Holidays are right around the corner, so there's no reason why no one can go out there and make this because it's very simple and it's easy to do. And that's what we're all into, right? Especially as things ramp up for Thanksgiving, Christmas, it all just sort of rushes in. So let's go down the hands and let's do this. And let's see how simple that is. All right, the first thing I have here, these are the ones we've already created. These two are the designs from the kit. And this was the alternative that Zoe and I made on Sunday, right? One keynote is if you're going to put the glitter, let's see if I can see the glitter on the houses for you here. We don't have them here. The other ones we do. We already had put some glitter on some houses. The key to it is you need to let that dry first or else put it on afterwards because that stuff you'll accidentally smear it. So this one doesn't have it, but we need to go put our glitter back on these right here. But they're very, very simple to make. So today, here's the kit. Here's what's in it, right? So all I'm going to do is, as I always, if you subscribe to Paper Pumpkin as one of my customers, and even if you're just a friend, I'll sit up here and I'll send you coordinated cardstock. If you ever want to know, on the back of this, it shows you the contents of everything in here. And then right down here, it says coordinating Stampin' Up! Colors. And it gives you the colored cardstock that goes with it. Hello, Debbie. Hope you're having a wonderful Friday. So all we're going to do is, I've done this. I've decided to take this color here. And the envelopes are beautiful, right? So, you know me. I like to sit up there and use the envelope if I can. So, here's what I've done. I've taken off the back flap of the envelope. You can see the sticky part there. I do it right there. And all we're going to do is we're going to put it right here on top here. And we'll trim it off. Now, when I sit up there, there's some fuzzy stuff. You'll see it more on the red. Then just take your, it's just because the envelope is thinner than cardstock. Just take your hand and just rub it across. All right, get it off. Fridays can be pretty tedious. Oh my gosh. They can. I'm working on getting ready for a craft show tomorrow at Coker Fest. So we're going to take this here and I'm not going to lick the envelope, sorry. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to put some adhesive here. I could have, right? But I'm not. So if you make this card, you can do it. And you know, if you subscribe to these two, they have refills. And so the refills, you can get, you had to be a Paper Pumpkin subscriber. So let's say you wanted the refill for this one, that's fine. If you're not a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, just go subscribe today and go get your refill kit, okay? Because it doesn't matter if it's a past refill or not, as long as you're a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, that's what it matters. So I'm just going to trim this off. Oh, you're so funny, Debbie. I love it. Alright, so we're just going to trim that off. That's how easy that was to do. Now, I see I got a little bit of white there. So there's two things you can do. If you have Night of Navy, which this color is, you could ink it up here to get the white if that bothered you. The other option is, if it really bothers you, then cut it off, right? So if that bothered you that was showing, I would just sit there then. I would take my scissors or my paper trimmer. In fact, I might take my paper trimmer, but I'm just going to trim it off then. And that's, guess what? There. Alright? So I solved it. So if there's any bit of white that bothered you, then just trim it off. Okay, so I'm going to sit up here and put some adhesive on here. Now keep in mind, hello Lourdes. Hopefully you can come, are you going to get to come by and say hello tomorrow at Coker Fest? Hopefully. Come say hello to Jennifer and I. Okay, so we're going to put this on here. And like I did, I just used the flap of the envelope. And I just want to show you, because sometimes people think everything has to be so difficult. It doesn't. Alright, it does not. I'm just going to stamp the sentiment right here. And I've got my stamp already. I'm doing Merry Christmas. They do have Happy Holidays in there. Most of the people I send cards to is Merry Christmas. I can only think of one person I send Happy Holidays to. One. So I'm just stamping mine all here because when I create my lives here, guess what? It's going to become my Christmas cards to somebody, right? And then we're just going to stamp this right here. I'm going to put it on here. They had us putting it on here with, let's see here. So if you ever want to know, it's very easy to go to the pictures and see what they did. So they set up here and they had you attaching, right down here, they had you attaching the glitter paper with glue dots and dimensionals for the happy holiday. Alright, so it's just an easy way to learn some of that. I did not pull out the glue dots from here, so I'll just pull out the other handy ones. Ah. Can the girls come by and say hello to us? It's like we haven't seen you guys in for. I know Jennifer gets to see you every once in a while. Every great once in a while, more than I do. Yeah, so that's. Either I have to go up to where your daughter works and just wave to her if she's there. Alright, so I'm just going to put this on here. Just like we did the other cards when we did them on Sunday. And I'm gonna center mine because I can, right? Everything about making a card is doing it because you can, and it's yours, right? It's your creation to do how you want to do it. That is the beauty of it. I don't have an art teacher going to give me a grade for this. If Debbie gives me a grade for this, I'll just send her a card. Yes, I haven't been graded on my art in a long time. So yeah, that's funny. Life is fun, right? What are friends for, right? That's right. Keep you going. Alright, I'm just going to put this right here. Now, this did not come with bling. The only bling it came with was the glitter. Alright, the glitter glue. So, let's see if I have any bling handy to add to this, because that'd be about it. If I wanted to add anything else, it'd be bling, right? Because I can. I don't see any handy dandy bling for me, but I do know I always have Wink of Stella. So I can for sure put some sparkly stuff right here. And this is done. That's how easy this was. We just cut the envelope. I added some 4x5 1/4 white cardstock. I'll have to do the same thing for the inside, right? If I'm going to stamp a sentiment, I'm going to have it white in here so I can see it. I'm just going to add a Wink of Stella because I don't see anything. I could add the glitter. I can add the glitter from the box. It's just going to be, it's liquidy, so I can't, let's see how I would say that. I can't get it to dry. How about that? I can't get it to dry. I could add a house on here or a tree if I wanted to. You'll have to let me know if I should add a house or a tree, and if you say so, I will. Otherwise, this is, oh, Tori will be working too. Oh my gosh. I love you guys, even though you're working and I don't get to see you. I'll just have to go up to see her at work. So this is a nice, it's real pretty, but you have to sit up there and let it dry, right? So the nice thing about this is I can put this right on top of my Wink of Stella if I want to. But don't touch it, right? Because the thing is, it takes, I don't remember how long it took for us to dry on Sunday. Zoe had done some in advance because I'd already told her. And I'd already messed up what she'd done about 2 or 3 times after I told her, so. Okay, and this came with a kit, and it comes with a refill kit too. So it's not just with this, it's with a refill kit too. Alright, how did you like that? Alright, I'll see if I can go through my bling stash and see if I can add some of them. See how it just, that is the glitter. It's like a glue, it's a glue glitter. What it is, and see what it does. So there we go. That is how simple that card is. So I hope you enjoyed it, because the main thing is I want you to keep in mind is it doesn't matter what we do, right? It's the main thing is that we sit up there, create, share, and give, right? To make someone's day, to touch someone's life. We're all a beacon of light. A beacon of light. We're also a beacon of life too. But a beacon of light to others. So you know what? Go out there, create, share, and give. So I hope you enjoyed this. And if you did, be sure to follow us on YouTube and Instagram, where we'll post the videos and we'll also post the card. All right? Be blessed. Look forward to seeing you next week with Teach Me Nana, and we'll also make it a Freebie Friday. And if you're here in San Antonio, come check us out Saturday at Coker Fest. It's Coker Methodist Church. It's right off of Wurzbach Parkway, and 281, I guess, is right there is where that's at. So come check us out if you're in town. We'd love to see you. With that, be blessed. Look forward to seeing you next week. Bye.